Welcome to Commercial Real Estate Consulting Group. If you're thinking about renting a commercial space for your business, you'll need to know about the different types of rent that are available. In this video, we'll explain the most common types of commercial rent and what they mean. First, let's talk about gross leases. A gross lease, also known as a full-service lease, means that the tenant pays a single rent amount that covers rent and most other costs, such as utilities, maintenance, and property taxes. This type of lease is convenient for tenants, as they only need to worry about one payment each month. Next up are net leases. Net leases are more common than gross leases and are often used in commercial real estate. With a net lease, the tenant pays a base rent amount plus a share of other costs, such as property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. There are different types of net leases, including single net lease, double net lease, and triple net lease. A single net lease means that the tenant pays the base rent and a portion of the property taxes. A double net lease means that the tenant pays the base rent, a portion of the property taxes, and insurance. And a triple net lease means that the tenant pays the base rent and all operating expenses, including property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Modified gross lease is a combination of a gross and net lease. The tenant pays a base rent amount that covers most costs, but may also be responsible for some additional expenses. A percentage lease is common in retail spaces, where the tenant pays a base rent amount plus a percentage of their sales revenue. This type of lease allows the landlord to benefit from the tenant's success and is often used for high-traffic retail spaces. Finally, there's a ground lease. With a ground lease, the tenant rents only the land and builds their own building on the property. The tenant is responsible for all costs associated with the building, such as construction, maintenance, and property taxes. These are the most common types of commercial rent. It's important to read the lease agreement carefully and negotiate any terms that may be unclear or unfavorable. By understanding the different types of commercial rent, you'll be better equipped to make an informed decision for your business. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.